Okay, so this is Gemini AI, and in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily share the custom gems that you have created on your Gemini account. So basically, if the other person is using the gem that you have created, you could expect that they'll get more or less a similar looking response when they're chatting with AI. So this could be very useful for collaboration in business or perhaps a group project. So here's how you can share your gem. First, let's open the sidebar and navigate to gems. So here, I think I must clarify that there are two types of gems exist at the same time on the Gemini platform. There is the original or traditional gems where you can prompt, add documents or images, but there is also a new type of gems called, well, it's a new kind of gem. That's the official name, at least at the moment. So this is basically just Google Opal, but now basically you can create a sort of app directly in the gem interface. So I'll talk about this later, but for now, let's talk about the classic gems on the Gemini AI. You can scroll down a bit and you can see the list of gems that you have created on your account. Now, let's say I want to share this particular gems about branded infographics. I'm going to click the share button. Just wait for it. And after that, you can enter the name of the people, spaces, groups, or any entities that might be related to your Google account. You can share it with them, or you can just share the gem via a public link, which is the one that I'm going to use for this example. So under general access, you can select the policy for the link. It could be restricted or anyone with a link. And after that, you can decide if the other person can view or use the gem, or they can even edit the gem. But I think most of the times you might want to select viewer. And after that, I'm going to copy the link, click done. Now, depending on the content within the gem, Gemini might be asking you to accept the permission for, let's say, if there is a document or images in the gem, then Gemini could be asking you to just want to let you know that the content, the images or documents within that gem might be shared in when the other person is using that. It's not sharing your chat history, but it might be sharing the content in the knowledge base. So that's what I'm trying to say. Anyway, I'm going to open that link on the other session. And after that, I can just use the same gem that was created on my other account. So the user that is using your gem will see this message: the gem is shared, instructions can change at any time. So that's basically how you can share the gems that you have created on your Gemini account. Now let's talk about the other version of gem, the new kind of gem, which is basically an app that is being powered by some AI models from Google. So down here, I have a gem about music weaver. This is a gem that I've created on my other video, and it can generate music from a text description. Let me just open it. Just wait. And if you are interested about creating a custom app, or in this case, a custom gem in this manner, then you can check my other video on my channel. But to share the gem or to share the custom new kind of gem / Google Opal, you can click the share app button. Just wait for it. And you can change to public, or let me just wait. There's another way you can share the gem. Okay, so after that, you can copy the link and then you can share the link to the person that you want to access or use the gem. Now you can also click view share permissions, and you'll get an interface or settings that look kind of similar to the classical gems. You can set the policy, you can choose the role. There is even the option for a commenter, which is interesting, and you can enter the name or email of people that you want to share the gem with. But yeah, that's basically it. That's how you can share the classic gems and also the new kind of gems on Gemini AI. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.